How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about redeeming a Roblox gift card. So Roblox gift cards can enhance your experience on the platform significantly. To redeem them, you have to visit the roblox.com and follow the steps on the browser. Firstly, log into your specific account and if enabled, complete a two-step verification and find your PIN. For physical gift cards, it might be on the back beneath a scratch-off security label on your receipt. In the case of digital cards, check your email for the PIN. Enter the PIN and then click on Redeem to utilize the added credit for purchasing the Robux, a premium subscription, or both. It's really important to note that gift cards bought from the Amazon are only redeemable for Robux. You also have the option to convert your available credit into the Robux. Spend your Robux on avatar accessories and exclusive perks in various experiences. Remember to check your inventory as each gift card entitles you to a free virtual item upon redemption. With new items available monthly, limited to one per account per month. So for more information and to explore a variety of Robux gift cards, head over to roblox.com/giftcards. So this was all about it. This is how you can redeem a Roblox gift card. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.